Good morning, students. Welcome back in our class. Today we will learn chapter number 2. Each one is special. Before starting the chapter, let's see one story. As you can see the picture, here Namit, Pooja, Viren and Zahida were playing the game of blind man's bluff. Viren's eyes were tied with a large handkerchief. Whenever he wanted to close to a tree or a bench, one of the friends would warn him by shouting danger. When the game was over, Viren said, "It isn't easy to find your way when you are blindfolded." Yes, agreed Zahida. Viren says, "It isn't easy, it's very difficult to find your way." And Viren says, "I wonder how blind people find their way." वीरेन को रियलाइज हुआ इस गेम से कि जो ब्लाइंड पीपल्स है वो कैसे रास्ते को फाइंड करते होंगे, दूसरों की आवाज़ से, दूसरों की इंस्ट्रक्शन से वो कैसे अपने आप को मैनेज करते होंगे. इन दिस स्टोरी वी विल लर्न हाउ द ब्लाइंड पीपल फाइंड देयर वे. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इस स्टोरी से हमें ये पता चला कि जो स्पेशल पीपल है, ब्लाइंड पीपल्स है, उसको कितनी दिक्कत होती होगी अपने आप को दूसरी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में और चीज़ों को फाइंड करने में. सो ऐसे ही हम इस चैप्टर में दूसरे स्पेशल पीपल्स के बारे में समझेंगे. ओके, दिस लेसन इज अबाउट स्पेशल पीपल एंड देयर स्पेशल नीड्स एंड द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ पीपल विथ फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटीज. This kind of peoples need special needs, lots of love, care, attention from other peoples, right? All the women need love and care, but some special people such as the sick or elderly need special attention and care. So now let's start our today's lesson. Special people. Most of us can see, hear, speak and do our activity on our own. But there are many people who cannot see or hear. Some peoples may not have normal features, may be sick or mentally handicapped. Such peoples have a special needs and so are called special people. They may be physical challenged or a mentally challenged. Nowadays, we use the terms of differently able to describe such peoples. Students, special people किसको बोलेंगे? जो लोग देखने की शक्ति नहीं रखते, सुनने की शक्ति नहीं रखते, उसको कौन से पीपल बोलेंगे? स्पेशल पीपल. और वी गेव एक्स्ट्रा केयर, एक्स्ट्रा लव और एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल. द नेक्स्ट इज ब्रेल सिस्टम. Louis Braille was born in France. Due to an accident, he lost his eyesight at a very young age in the year 1829. लुइस ब्रेल का जन्म फ्रांस में हुआ था और एक एक्सीडेंट के दौरान उसकी आई साइट चली गई थी, वो देख नहीं सकते थे. इन द ईयर 1829 ही डेवलप्ड अ मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग अल्फ़ाबेट्स विच मेड इट पॉसिबल फॉर ब्लाइंड पीपल टू रीड. उसने एक डेवलप किया अ मेथड डेवलप फॉर अ राइटिंग अल्फ़ाबेट विच मेड इट पॉसिबल फॉर ब्लाइंड पीपल टू रीड. जो ब्लाइंड पीपल होते हैं उसको रीड कर सके, उसके लिए उसने एक मेथड को डेवलप किया. In Braille systems, letters are represented by raising dots. Braille systems के अंदर dots के through blind peoples read करते हैं. It's a system in which there are 6 raised dots. A blind person move his fingers on the dots and identified the letters in order to read. Braille system किसको बोलेंगे? Dot system को. As you can see the pictures, the blind child's reading Braille. Braille systems के अंदर dots होते हैं. A blind person move his fingers on the dots and identifies the letter to order and to read easy. Dots के through जो blind people से वो read करते हैं. That's called the Braille system. The Braille alphabets consist of various arrangements of the dots. There are around 63 possible combinations which take care of the entire letters of the alphabets and other signs such as punctuation mark. उसमें ब्रेल सिस्टम्स के अंदर There are around 63 possible combinations is given, and also including entire letters of the alphabets and other signs such as punctuation mark. Here as you can see, one script is given. This is Braille script. It is today's the most widely used script for the blind to read and write. ये ब्लाइंड पीपल्स के लिए बहुत यूजफुल है. जो ब्रेल सिस्टम है वो ब्लाइंड पीपल इजीली इस सिस्टम से रीड कर सकते हैं और लिख भी सकते हैं. Since then there has been a lot of advancement in the script, making Braille easier to read or write. Today Braille can be written on the computer too. आज के टाइम पे जो ब्लाइंड पर्सन है वो कंप्यूटर पे भी इजीली रीड भी कर सकते हैं और टाइपिंग भी कर सकते हैं. In India, we have special school for blind children where they are taught to read and write using Braille. हमारे देश में ऐसी कई स्कूल है जो स्पेशल ब्लाइंड चिल्ड्रंस के लिए है. वहाँ पर क्या सिखाते हैं उसको ब्रेल सिस्टम के थ्रू इजीली टॉट करते, इजीली टीच करते हैं टीचर्स, और उसको ब्रेल सिस्टम के थ्रू इजीली वो रीड कर सकते हैं और राइट कर सकते हैं. The next is sign language. Some people become hard of hearing when they grow old. Such people are given hearing aids. It is a small instrument worn in ear and it makes the sound louder and help them to hear clearly. However, some people cannot hear at all. They are called a deaf or a hearing impaired. A hearing aid is of no use to such people. ऐसे लोग जिसकी एज की वजह से उसको कम सुनाई देता है वो हियरिंग एड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो कान में लगाते हैं जिससे क्लियर सुन सकते हैं. बट ऐसे लोग जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुन सकते उसके लिए ये कुछ काम का नहीं है. वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज समझेंगे? साइन लैंग्वेज. वो साइन लैंग्वेज के थ्रू इजीली कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं. हियर ऑल्सो देर आर पीपल हु कैन नॉट स्पीक. दे आर नोन एज म्यूट. दे कम्युनिकेट थ्रू साइन लैंग्वेज. ऐसे लोग जो सुन नहीं सकते और बोल नहीं सकते, ऐसे लोग साइन की लैंग्वेज समझते हैं. इन साइन लैंग्वेज हैंड सिग्नल्स रिप्रेजेंट वर्ड्स. साइन लैंग्वेज के अंदर हैंड्स के थ्रू सामने वाले पर्सन को समझाया जाता है. म्यूट पीपल ऑल्सो यूज द मेथड ऑफ लिप रीडिंग फॉर कम्युनिकेशन. जो बोल नहीं सकते वैसे लोग लिप रीडिंग के थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, watching the speaker's movement of lips to see and what the speaker is saying. जो म्यूट पीपल है वो सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है उसके लिप्स के थ्रू पता लगा लेता है. Students, think and enact the sign language we used. This exercise you have to do at your home. You have to use sign language. You have to use your hands and lips. How we will you say? No, yes, go, come, to good, and sleepy or thirsty. These words you have to convert in sign language, or you can say action language. Physically challenged people have special needs. We can take care of them by understanding their disabilities, helping them when they are in need, and by being friendly, loving and gentle with them. ऐसे लोग के साथ हमें कैसे रहना है? We can take care of them by understanding their disabilities, helping them, and also we can give some extra cares, love and attention. The next topic is taking care of elders. Apart from people with physical disabilities, elderly people too need special care. They are known as senior citizen. In old age, people are unable to perform their daily activities with the same energy and efficiency as when they were young. Often they have to depend on others for their needs. We help our senior citizen also. स्पेशल पीपल के बाद हम सीनियर सिटीजन्स को भी हेल्प करनी चाहिए क्योंकि उसकी ओल्ड एज की वजह से they require some special needs and they have depend on others for their needs, so we can help them. Students, one think aloud is given. Does your grandfather and grandmother stay with you? If yes, then how do you take care of them? क्या आपके ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडमदर आपके साथ रहते हैं? अगर हाँ, तो आप उसको कैसे देखभाल करते हो? हाउ डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ देम? थिंक अलाउड. Here are a few ways in which you can take care of the elderly people. The first one is spend quality time with them by talking to them and listening to their story. Students, you have to spend quality time with your grandparents and elders and talking to them and listening to their story. The next is remind them to take their medicines on time. You have to remind them to take their medicine on time. Accompany them during their walk. Involve them in family decisions or activities. Help them when required by lifting or carrying heavy things or fetching things for them. Students, you have to help your elders when they were required by lifting or carry heavy things or fetching things for them. You have to help them. You must not only take care of elders at home, but also the other senior citizens you see around. Give them special respect and be special care and courage. Offer them and sit in public transport as in buses or trains. Students, आपके फैमिली के एल्डर्स के अलावा आपको बाहर के सीनियर सिटीजन्स को भी हेल्प करना है. कैसे करोगे आप हेल्प? यू गिव देम रिस्पेक्ट एंड बी करेज. ऑफर देम टू सिट इन पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सच एज buses and train. So students, in these chapters we will learn there are 4 kind of special people. The first one is deaf people, the person who cannot hear. ऐसे people जो सुन नहीं सकते, that's called a deaf people. Blind people, the person who cannot see, that's called a blind people. ऐसे person जो देख नहीं सकते उसको बोलते हैं blind people. Mute people, the person who cannot speak, that's called a mute people. जो बोल नहीं सकते, ऐसे people को क्या बोलेंगे? Mute people. Lame people, person who cannot walk properly. ऐसे persons जो properly walk नहीं कर सकते, they need to others, that's called a lame people, like elders. So students, what we will learn in these chapters? We will learn people who cannot see or hear are called as special people, and special peoples have special needs. Elderly people also need special care and attention. Blind peoples can read and write in Braille system. People who cannot speak are called dumb or mute people. They communicate through the sign language. Now students, you have to revise this chapter at your home once. Thank you and have a nice day.